Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am here with a new latest ROM for our Redmi Note 4, and as you can see this is our Redmi Note 4 and the MIUI version is latest 2011-2018, and this is ported from the Xiaomi.eu guys, and this ROM charging speed is a little bit good and the security patch level is also good. So this is November month, and as you can see there is November security patch, and you will find here Android 10 security patch guys without any issue or any error, and you can use this ROM, but I have faced some bugs and I will tell you at the end of the video that are minor bugs, so don't go it with bugs. You can use this ROM as daily driver. Yesterday someone asked me, so you can use this bugs guys. So if you have any doubts you can ask me in comment section guys. I will definitely reply you, and you can also ask me in Telegram, so I will reply you there. So no need to worry, I will definitely reply even after 1 or 2 hours. So I will reply. So here you will see all of this stuff, and here you will see the developer name here, and this is ported from Xiaomi.eu. I have already told you, and here your VoLTE, Wi-Fi, hotspot, everything works here, but when you talk with Bluetooth device your voice will be delay around 1 to 2 seconds. And here portable hotspot works here. You can cast your screen to your laptop. I have tested this feature, and here you will find the always on display. I don't use this feature, and this is not important I think so this is for AMOLED devices. In lot of ROMs it doesn't work, so I have not tested it, hence I can't tell you about that. So here you can customize your charging animation like every previous ROMs I have already told you. And inside the display guys, I will tell you the bugs right now. So first bug is your Bluetooth device call is delay, and second bug is here read mode. So you can fix this read mode, so I will tell you how to fix the read mode. So let me show you here. As you can see, read mode is right now turned on, so even if you turn it off you will see my screen is in yellow color. So to fix this issue you have to come into this color scheme section and just come down and click on this default or warm, so any one of them, so it will fix your issue. So as you can see my display become normal. So that was the one bug which I have faced. And here your dark mode also works, there is no any issue, and I don't use any dark mode, that's why I have disabled it right now to show you people. And here you will enable you can enable always on display etc from here. And here notification status bar, you can customize your notification style, and you can also customize the latest MIUI 12 notification bar. So this is MIUI 12 notification status bar. If you slide from the right side then you will be able to see, and if you slide from the left side then you will be able to see the notifications. And right now I'm using MIUI 10.1, and here you can find the collapse after touch option etc here, which are useless. And right now we are going to discuss about another thing. Inside the home you will find some features like fill empty cells of uninstalled apps etc, and here you will find global lamination. You can enable this memory status guys, so that you will be able to know your unused RAM. And you can also use here floating windows option, so which is latest one, and I haven't seen any in any previous build. So here I have already told you about that things. And home screen and wallpaper, here you can use your wish wallpaper, and whatever you want use, you can use your wallpaper, and you can apply themes here, there is no any issue. And password, fingerprint, face unlock, everything works here. So face unlock I think it will not work because I am in front of camera. So face unlock is working, so let me show you. So I am in front of camera, sometimes it is working, sometimes not working. So I am in front of camera, that's why it is not working properly. And here you will be able to see that fingerprint is also working properly. So as you can see, so I am tap, so it is unlocking, so it is taking around 1 second. And here you can also use dual face unlock guys, there is no issue regarding that. And if your device lags in first boot, then you can reboot your device once, so that your issue can be fixed, so you can use that. So my display became automatically blue, so you have to reboot your device once again, or you can do that setting which I have told you. Go inside display and you can customize from there. And here you are inside privacy setting, you will able to customize your permissions for your different apps. And inside the battery and performance, you will be able to see my device performance, and here you will also find ultra battery saver. Everything is working here, there is no issue regarding that. And here you can customize auto start permission from here without any issue. And you can also use here USB transfer everything. In some stock Android ROMs like Lineage OS etc, there you will find some bugs, but here there is no any bug. Here you can use app lock without any issue. Here you will be able to see digital well-being option, and as you can see here my stats, and here you will be able to see the focus mode. So this is not important for us guys, focus mode is not important for us, and the dashboard is important, so that we will be able to see how much time we are using our device and how much it gives our screen on time. Here you will be able to see game turbo mode, video toolbox, floating window, second space, MIUI lab and light mode. So I don't recommend you to use this ROM for gaming purpose, so you can use MIUI Razer edition, and I will provide the videos link in the here I button, and I will also provide you the link of that Rogue Phone edition ROM. So here you can use that, which is ported from our Black Shark. So you will find at this I button here or there somewhere, so you can watch it by just clicking on that. So I will leave here, don't worry about that guys. And here you can log in your MI account, your Google account, everything is working here, and I haven't faced any other bugs regarding this guys. Here you will find Viper pre-installed, and I think portrait mode bug is there in stock camera, so I have not captured any photos using the camera guys, so hence you may face any portrait mode bug. So if you face any bug, just let me know in comment section. I will try to provide a patch so that it can fix your issue. And here you can also customize your recent apps. And thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any problems, you can let me know in comment section, and if you like the video then you can like it, otherwise you can dislike it, and let me know in comment section what are the problems in my video so that I can improve. And thanks for watching the video guys, your comments support us a lot. Bye.